The good man of the house is the last steward of God before the end of the world, where Christ prophesied in Matthew 24:37 to 39. As no one knew the end of the whole world of unbelievers, He made an ark. It is also true that in the end of the world, in the second coming of Christ, we have a steward like Noah in Matthew 24:43. But know this, that if the good man of the house had known in what watch the thief would come, he would have watched and would not have suffered his house to be broken up. The good man of the house is the steward of those who will not perish. As we honor the decades of the apostolic ministry in the church, I pray that we bestow the deeper commitment in the ministry that God has entrusted to every member of God's flock. Let us pledge that we will be one of the apostles in the desire to fulfill God's mission here on earth as we wait in the second coming of Christ.
Binabati ko kayo sa inyong kasalukuyang pagdiriwang ng Year of Jubilee.
One of the fundamental marks of a true church is the appointment of the living apostle. And praise be to God, because in the Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ Fourth Watch, the calling of the good man of the house affirms the verity of the end-time church. As a fourth watcher, truly our hearts rejoice to the Lord, because He added us to the church, which is being led and ministered by an apostle. As we once again commemorate 8 decades of the mighty works of God in the life and ministry of our brother, our beloved apostle, Arsenio Tan Ferriol, let us join our voices together in worshiping the Lord as we celebrate this year of Jubilee Middle East Apostolic Fellowship.
Sa lokal na iglesia ay gagawa ng misyon ng Panginoon.
We are celebrating our calling as missionaries of God in line with the 80 marvelous years in the life of our beloved apostle Arsenio Tan Ferriol. 80 years is such a milestone, establishing the church through the faithful dedication of the good man of the house. Indeed, it is the Lord's doing. Glory to God!
There is a need of an appointment. It is called the divine appointment of God. A person who wishes to serve God, first, he must be chosen by the Lord. He will not the one to choose the Lord to serve Him. So it's not by ourselves why we are here. The reason why we were here this morning because God has called us. Ang ating calling is apostolic calling. That is the proof, the undeniable truth. We are called through His apostleship. But our claim as disciples of Christ are the very claim of the early church in the Bible. Purihin ang Panginoon. The same way the Port Watch people claims about the calling of Jesus Christ. We are of God. We are of Christ. And the proof that we are of Christ, we are called through the apostleship given by God to the good man of the house. Though our apostle may not be an apostle to other people outside the church, he will always be an apostle to us. Because we are the seal, the proof of his apostleship. So you cannot separate the true apostle to the true church. Because they are the appointed people of God, appointed to prepare the foundation of the true church of Christ. It is the infallible proofs, one of the infallible proofs of his apostleship, that he built many churches, because the churches are the seal of his apostleship. Ang PMCC Port Watch is the very evidence that our apostle has the seal of being an apostle. He possesses the seal of apostleship.
Today is the day you have made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Today is the day you have made. I will rejoice and be glad in it.
Gaya nung narinig kong mensahe mula sa Bishop Aldrin Palangka, na ang kanyang pagka-apostol at pagkatawag ay pagkatawag din sa amin ng Diyos. Kaya't ang pinagpapasalamat ko sa good man of the house, mula sa kanyang ministeryo, ako naman ay tinawag sa kaligtasan. Kasama ako doon. Ako'y kabahagi sa tatak ng pagka-apostol ni Apostol Arsenio Ferriol.
Biyaya na nakita ko kung paano pinagpala ng Diyos ang ministeryo ng mahal na sumong apostol.
I traveled from New Delhi airport and to attend the first ever apostolic fellowship in the Middle East district, and I feel very blessed coming here, attending, being a part of the first gathering. It's like a life-changing moment for me, and Apostle always taught us that no retreat, no surrender.
Siya ang ating halimbawa sa iglesia na dapat nating sundan dahil siya ang sinugo ng Panginoon. Kinabibilangan mong pananampalataya ay talagang tunay na tunay dahil mayroong tunay na sugo at mayroong tunay na iglesia. Purihin ng Panginoon.
At lalong tumibay ang aking ministeryo, ang aking pagtatalaga, ang aking pagkatawag sa napakagandang mensahe na pinagtibay ng ating mahal na Bishop Aldrin Palangka. Tayo ay pinalakas, na tayo ay hinamon at binigyan ng malaking pangitain muli na gawin ang pinakamabuti sa missionary works ng ating mahal na apostol.
For us who has been called by the gospel through the ministry of the apostle, we ought to give our best and our right-hand support to all of his undertakings. And may we always be joyfully reminded as Port Watchers that we are privileged to be seal of apostleship of our beloved apostle and good man of the house, Apostle Arsenio Tan Ferriol. To God be all the glory.